Hey guys, what's up? So we're doing Granny Chapter 2, but this time with both of them. So, helicopter escape. Let's use the picture for that, as I told you in the last video. If you haven't watched it, in the last video, what are these pictures for? It's on @Norbert_15. The video when I escaped in Granny Chapter 2 in a helicopter in the last video, and then I'm going in there and then shoot. So wait, shoot. Oh, I got both with one. And then let's get the glass fuse. And then I did it all there because I did it with both of them, so it would be a bit easier. So I popped over there. Sometimes I play with both of them, sometimes with one. And there's the helicopter, as I showed you last time. Let's drop it all in here, except we can pop the duct tape on the helicopter blade. We can pop. And helicopter key, so we wouldn't have to keep going back. Oh, wrong way, sorry. And then drop the key there. And that's Grandpa in the kitchen dancing to Granny's house. It's the FGTV song. What you hear now. Yes, it is full. And then we're about to escape. First YouTube video when I escaped in both of them. I'm ready to escape. Engine start. I said it wrong in the last video because I said start engine, but it's engine start. So engine start. Oh yeah, helicopter manual I got. As you see with both of them, Granny and Grandpa, with both of them I escaped. And the end. I started in the security room because I actually wanted to finish it quickly. Let's move it right there. Granny Chapter 2. We finished. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell. Until next time, bye!